course kita akan jatuh kat lubang tu kan. It's fine. But bila kita jatuh kat lubang tu, kita belajar di situ. So, hey, we are a team yang belajar daripada experience. Now we are better experience right now. Right? So, end of the day, hey, round of applause for everyone. For everyone. You know? Yeah. So, to the cast, semua and everything, yang thanks for kan? Mak pula fumble kan? Betul lah mic dulu. Thanks for everyone giving their best despite everyone have their personal issue. It's okay to have personal issue, but end of the day is how we bend back ourselves to be a better person in the future. So thank you for everyone for making everyone to be a better person end of the day. Betul? Right. Thank you. Thank you.